Round 18 and 25, I left Tennessee very much alive. Down to the pub with my girlfriend's pa, and I rode away on the Tennessee Star. I had some trouble with my girlfriend's pa. One of the brothers was a bad outlaw. I wrote a letter for my Uncle Fudd, and I rode away on the Tennessee Star. The Tennessee Stud was long and lean, the color of the sun, and his eyes were green. He had the blood and he had the nerve. He'd never been a horse like a Tennessee Stud. I rode right into no man's land. I crossed the river called the Rio Grande. I rode my horse with a stallion's foal. He got me a skin full of silver and gold. Me and the gambler, we couldn't agree. We put on a fight over Tennessee. We pulled our guns and it fell with a thud. I rode away on the Tennessee Stud. The Tennessee Stud was long and lean, the color of the sun, and his eyes were green. He had the nerve and he had the blood. He'd never been a horse like a Tennessee Stud. I went back to Arkansas. I whipped her brother, I whipped her pa. I found the girl with the golden hair. She was riding on a Tennessee mare. Pretty little baby on the cabin floor, baby horse call playing out the door. But I love the girl with the golden hair. The Tennessee Stud loves the Tennessee man. Tennessee Stud